mental agony and all, this court in this application cannot grant any relief.
My
Come to
lord,
your prayer at page number 30. 30 of the papers which are filed before the court. It appears that you also do not have the
yes,
complete
yes,
set.
I have, my lord.
Look
No,
at 30.
yes, page number 30. These are my
30.
prayers. One more submission, because I didn't know, okay. I have filed a criminal petition and I seeked for the stay of the same matter. Then the court hold number 17 judge directed me to file GMFC case. That is why now I am filing the IA for stay here. Otherwise, earlier I have filed in that court, and that court has granted a expeditious disposal in the criminal matters, like criminal miscellaneous case as well as the domestic violence case. My lord, because 3 years I am running behind the court with a minor child, no remedies, no in remains, nothing, my lord. We are made to starve to death. And I have to take care of a small child. How will I without any?
Please understand. Court understands all your difficulties.
Um,
No, you're not, please understand, you're not getting maintenance. If
yes.
that application is not disposed of, if you can tell the court will ask the trial court to dispose of that application.
I-
But court will not take in your case as a very different case and tell the court that 23 matter you dispose of, keep pending all 2019 matters.
My lord, see, he has written a settlement agreement, page number 41 to 55, my lord. Kindly see the settlement conditions he has written, my lord.
We'll
In that,
appoint an advocate from the Legal Services Authority. She'll be of some help for you. It won't happen like this because you don't know what kind of petitions are maintainable before this court or not. You can only know about your problem, but the solution has to be if a advocate is there, then he'll be able to tell you all these can't happen.
my lord, in Kerala court, my counsel only cheated me. Whatever my petition, she changed that petition with a false sign of me, and whatever alimony I have asked, like 1 crore, she changed it to 5
You
lakhs.
have one option. If
So
you want, we'll appoint.
I kind of
Please
scared
understand.
to
We'll
even go with an
we'll
attorney.
appoint a counsel from the from the legal aid. If not, nothing can be granted in this because the manner in which it is framed, none of the reliefs you sought can be granted by this court. If
My
any IA for maintenance is pending, please tell the court that will direct the court.
that is already expeditious disposal. I already got the direction, my lord.
Then
And this is the condition which he has written in another matter, my lord. It is the same divorce. Actually, this MC 209 is a res judicata divorce petition which is running by
that res judicata has to be decided by the trial court. Please understand.
my lord. I have filed the IA. 1 year my IA is pending, and they are not even giving me an order in that, my lord. That is why I am
When
seeking
is
the
that IA? Where is that IA? IA
IA
number?
number 11, my lord. Anishir E2 81 to 86, my lord.
IA number 11. When is it filed?
It is, I have filed soon after the disposal of the care.
Should be a date for
2023, my lord, in the May, my lord.
Have you filed here? That where is that IA number
Yes,
11?
IA number 11, my lord, page number 81 to 86.
Hmm. We'll ask the trial court, family court to dispose of this within a period of 3 months.
My lord, one more IA, that is the IA number 12, Anishar F, page number
What
140.
is that IA number 12?
And that is to direct the respondent to undergo medical examination of impotency test, my lord. Because he is telling, because child is there, I cannot pray for nullity. The child is born through donor sperm IVF treatment. I have already produced the same document before the court, but for the evidence, I needed that, my lord.
Please come. The present petition is filed seeking the following prayers. Extract all that. The party in person has submitted submitted to the court that the marriage had taken place in Kerala, and from the last few years she has been roaming around the courts and along with along with her son, and not able to get any relief from the court. It is stated that she has filed I number 11 and I number 12. I number 11 is filed. That these proceedings are barred by res judicata, and I number 12 is filed seeking a direction to the husband to undergo the medical test. It is submitted that decide applications or pending consideration before the court. This court has perused the prayers that are sought by, no relief can be granted with respect to the other reliefs as desire number 11 and 12 are filed in the year 2023. The trial court should family court should consider the same and pass appropriate orders in accordance with law within a period of 3 weeks, 3 months from the date of receipt of the copy of the order. No, this court is not proposing to issue notice to the respondent as expeditious disposal of the matter is in the interest of both the parties. Is next.
Cell number 9, Purnima.
Yes. Which case? Fourth matter, interim order earlier granted is extended. Yes, next.
Cell number 9, Purnima.
No representation on behalf of the petitioner. Holds this matter on 21st of October. Yes, next.
Pen Arjan, cell number 11. And Ram K.